We're in between calls right now, so I'm going to do something we talked about last night, something I've never done before, but something I want to do, a segment on this radio show, and the segment would be called If Tom Was in Charge. Okay? All right?
Yes.
So here's something.
What would you do, Tom, if you were in charge?
I know exactly what I would do.
Okay.
Okay? Now,
Tell us.
you when I told you that, you said Tom in charge of like the city or the state or the country or the world, so I said the country, all right?
Exactly.
I'm going to keep it, modest. I'm in
Okay.
charge of the country. I'm the president of the United States, all right?
What would you do as
All right.
president?
Because I believe that this is something that I think that everybody could agree on. Republicans, Democrats, liberals, conservatives, everybody in the middle. Okay. And that is this. If I was in charge, okay, I would pass a law that says that every car driven on the United States roads must have a sensor where the headlights come on automatically when it's raining or dusk or dark. All right. Now, a lot of cars have that feature already. I've got it on mine, but a lot of the basic cars don't have it. And what does that mean? It means that you and I are driving around a lot. I notice it how much, and especially when we're on our scooter at night, when you're really aware of what's going on around you, how many people are driving down the road at night, they don't have their lights on.
It happens a lot.
Yeah, just the basics, folks. I mean, years ago, they passed a law that says that, they put the third brake light in the middle of your car up for safety features.
Absolutely.
Well, guess what? It's more important that your lights be on in the first place.
For many, many reasons, obviously, first and foremost, for the safety of yourself and others around you, having those lights on, and exactly like you said, many cars are now programmed where it's automatic, and of course, as you know, whether it's raining, whether it's raining or dusk or dark, because it is very dangerous when the lights are not on the cars.
So we know there's a big division out there. I mean, sometimes I wonder why doesn't everybody think like I do? I don't understand it, but there are people out there that don't think like I do politically. But I would like to think that this would be one thing that we could all agree on, that we could approach our congressmen, our representatives, and say, look, we can't agree on much, but let's agree on this. Let's pass a new law that when you put a new car on a road, you got to have that sensor in there where the headlights come on automatically when it's raining, dusk, or dark.
Well, Tom,
please could you do that for us?
I think that would be a great start.
Just to show our elected representatives that there's at least one thing the American public can agree on.
And Tom, that would be a great start.
All right.
Thank you, President Tom Olson.
Thank you. That is my campaign, my platform. That's all I need. Elect me president, I'll get her done, and I'll be done.
Vote for Tom.